Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Shareasale is an affiliate marketing network that connects merchants with affiliate marketers to facilitate partnerships for promoting products or services. It provides a platform where merchants can enlist their offerings, set commission structures, and track sales generated by affiliates. Meanwhile, affiliates can browse through a wide array of products, choose the ones aligning with their audience, and earn commissions by promoting these products through various channels like websites, blogs, or social media. One, sign up. Register as an affiliate on Shareasale by creating an account. Fill in necessary details and verify your account. 2. Explore merchants. Browse through the list of available merchants on Shareasale. Look for products or services that align with your niche or audience interests. 3. Apply for programs. Apply to join affiliate programs of the merchants you're interested in. Some might approve you automatically, while others could have specific criteria. 4. Get affiliate links. Once approved, access your affiliate dashboard and get unique tracking links or banners provided by the merchants. These links will be used to track the sales you generate. 5. Create content. Develop content around the products or services you're promoting. This could be through blog posts, reviews, videos, or social media posts, ensuring they're engaging and informative. 6. Promote strategically. Share your affiliate links across your chosen platforms. Focus on providing value to your audience rather than just promoting products aggressively. 7. Optimize performance. Track the performance of your affiliate links using Shareasale's analytics. Identify which strategies and products are performing well and which need improvement. 8. Build trust. Maintain transparency with your audience. Be honest about your affiliate relationships and only promote products you genuinely believe in. 9. Engage with audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, queries, and feedback. Building a rapport can lead to increased trust and more conversions. 10. Optimize and scale. Continuously refine your strategies based on performance metrics. Experiment with different types of content, promotion methods, and products to scale your earnings.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.